سامحيني يا دينا. رح خليهم يتفاوتوا من بوعدك.
Commander?
Our missiles were meant to be a deterrent. Peace through strength.
It always finds its way back to this place.
It never left.
Russia wants this country.
They can't have it.
What's next?
Tracking those containers.
I'm coming with you.
No. Take care of our KIA and alert our forces. Tell them Russia's back in Urzikstan.
Shadow Company's got us get in the game. They're gonna want a piece of this.
True. There's someone else I have to contact first.
Милена,
С возвращением, Владимир.
ты создала для нас армию?
Дело выгодное и правое.
My comrades, we stand reunited! For your efforts in my absence and our success today, I offer you praise. И наказание. Иван, из-за того, что ты отверг мой план, мы потеряли драгоценное время. А время решает все.
Командир, я принял правильное решение.
Каждый несет ответственности за свои ошибки. Андрей, ты доказал свою преданность. Теперь ты моя правая рука.
Спасибо, командир.
My fellow warriors, I wasn't here, but I was always with you. Since then, our enemies have grown stronger. The ULF has stolen back control of Urzikstan. The time has come for us to show them the meaning of true power. This is a battle of perception. A lie flies while the truth only grows. If you control what people believe, you control the world. This is our weapon. And we will use it as a tool of war to restore glory to Russia. The real Russia! The West, they love their choices. They will have only one. To respond on our terms. Каждая секунда на счет.
When Makarov escaped, he mobilized his army on multiple fronts. Kony Group hit the Urzikstan port before sunrise. Farah was there.
She hurt?
Negative. Her team engaged, took casualties. Left Kony with a kill count of her own.
Good on you, Farah. What'd they get from the port?
A shipment of American missiles.
Kony's got their own missiles. What does Makarov want these for?
We need to find out. I'm tracking them now. Once I get a fix, we'll action it.
You said multiple fronts, Laswell. Give us a target.
Kony forces are converging on a nuclear power plant in Urzikstan as we speak.
Is the plant active?
Abandoned when the ULF beat Barkov.
Then what's there?
All four of you, as soon as you can.
Rog, Ghost and I'll recce the plant. Soap and Gaz secure the perimeter. If Makarov's going nuclear, we'll stop him in his tracks.
Solid copy. Let's get after it, Bravo. 1 minute! Tight! Quake's good to go! That's our gear on the ground if we need it. We will... Ramp! 30 seconds! Right, pull altitude is 2,000 AGL. Kinda close! That's how we do! Roger
Watcher 1 to Bravo, ISR is overhead. Be advised, Coney has 3 helos on the ground, locations marked with orange smoke.
Extract points for the nuclear material.
Affirmative. These helos are your primary targets. Destroy them and we can keep this threat contained.
Roger. Moving to Overwatch.
Ghost, are you picking up radiation smokes?
Negative. All the helos scan clear. Should be safe to use explosives on them.
Copy. Visual on helo.
Copy 6, that's your target.
Mortar strike incoming.
Move out of the They're closing on you, Captain. Defend yourself.
Going up.
Seeing JLTVs closing on your position, 6. Coney, reinforcements are moving to the helo now. 6, multiple Coney are near that helo. Expect contact.
Solid copy, watch up. Cody's maneuvering in. Expect contact. SAM turret set up. That's a lot, boys. Enemy down.
6, engage that bird with explosives to take it down. Bravo 6, you're clear at the construction site. Target that helo. Stay quiet, Captain. They're searching for you.
What do they want?
Whatever they find, it stays here. Get to the next helo.
Boss, Coney reinforcements heading your way. Captain, still not picking up any radiation. Johnny, Garrick, anything? Negative.